Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Isirenzori omuhurire yatandikire okushabira abeegi abarikwetebekanisa ebigezo by'ekyamukaga n'ekyakana abandize n'okutongozaho project y'okwombeka multipurpose hall ahari Kyabenda Secondary School.
Na OGs mwetekanize tukombeka ki multipurpose hall n'abandi badakukwasa n'abazaire
ndakutwara umugisha kandi mu izina rya bodi ya Kyabenda Secondary School and na school community yone.
Bwanyuma atandikire okushaba kandi aherekire okukwatwaho ahabeegi abarikwejumbira omu by'ombonano kandi bakahendera batamazire emishomo yabo.
So take care. Never allow anybody to deceive you. You have been here for 4 years. Those in senior 6, you have been in school for 6 years, reading hard. I know the journey has not been simple. You have passed through different things. Some of you have suffered, struggling to get school fees.
Mubeba akono mwesi bebihame taliho kugabagaba. Hariho okufa kujurire mpara hiwareba muzisibenyeko zihame mugumisirize mushome nyensya murwemwe abana bo mugasho.
Reverend Apollo by'omuhangi kandi orukure by'obwegezo mu bureberezi obu nawe habwira abeegi.
The Apostle Paul says, this is your spiritual act of true worship. Kuturuka embiri yitu tukahemyo yita biruhanga kebitambo ebihulire ebitambo ebirikwera
basine yakana twenda kusitamisa abana 189 abasine yakana kandi abana basine ya mukaga n'abana 86
mukaga mukama naza kubasa kuba ndaho kuba dedicating we are very ready to do our NEP exam.
Bishop ahindara kutaha abeegi 63 emikono. Gashaku Anthony Twin.